Hello and welcome back to my channel. Here we are again with another Stitch Fix video, and I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I forgot that this was coming. I was almost certain I had booked another Stitch Fix for the end of March, and then I got the email saying it was coming in February, and here it is. It's too late to cancel. I've got another box. If you are new around here, hello, my name is Caroline and I post all sorts of content on my channel ranging from motherhood, recipes, hauls, Stitch Fix unboxings and anything and everything. You can find it on this channel. So if that's something that tickles your fancy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, why ever not. And then also I've got an Instagram as well. If you fancy following me over there, I'll put my @ on the screen now for you. It's down here, isn't it? So yeah, without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Stitch Fix is a personal shopper experience. You go on the website, I'll leave the link down below. If you use my referral code, you will get £15 off your first box. You sign up to Stitch Fix and you fill out this extensive questionnaire. I say extensive, it does take a little while. It takes about 10 minutes to do. It's not really hard, it's quite fun. Making out like it's some sort of like GCSE test here. It's not that complicated. Fill out a questionnaire about your fashion and your sizes and things like that. And then after you filled it out, you will get sent, I never know, 4 pieces, 5 pieces. 4 or 5 pieces of clothing for you to try on. You try them on. If you like them, you keep them and you pay for them. If you don't like them, you send them back. Easy as that. If you keep all 5 items, I think it's 5 items. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 20% discount off all the items. You can keep what you like. You don't have to keep all 5 items. You can keep just 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 things if you fancy it. But yes, so that's what Stitch Fix is. I do recommend it if you fancy changing up your wardrobe. I've had a few successful things from my Stitch Fixes. I've never kept everything from a box, but I've kept a few items here and there. And it's something nice just to jazz up your wardrobe every so often. Let's get into it. Hi Caroline, I'm sorry you didn't get a chance to look at your Fix preview, but I do know you like a blind unboxing. So I've selected 5 items, 5 great pieces I hope you're going to love. So just as a thing, you can actually see the clothes online before they're sent to you to see if they're what you want to buy or not. I personally don't want to do that. I like the idea of having a blind unboxing. Since you are looking for something comfy, perfect for running around after your toddler, I include this great pair of cropped trainer trousers from Editor's Cut. A change from your classic jean, yet comfy and extremely versatile. Team with the striped t-shirt from Brenton. I know you and your 1-year-old love a rainbow print. This could fit the bill. Pop the navy chunky knit cardigan over the top and pair with trainers for a fresh, fun look, yet remain comfortable and stylish. The t-shirt dress from Modstrom is another versatile piece. Team with trainers and a knit during the day. Equally, it will look great with a biker, blazer and heels. Best, Natalie. A biker blazer. I don't have a biker or a blazer. So here we are. Oh, they're coming out. They're coming out the side. I'm liking the colours. I mean, it's lots of dark colours, but also we have a stripy one and a pale pink. So from first glance of not seeing what the items are, I'm liking the colours and the textures. Now let's have a look, see. Oh, it's a dress. Well, that's quite nice. Like I do in other videos, I'm going to do a try on because it's impossible to show what these look like. A dress. I can't remember the last time I've worn a dress. Honestly, I have no idea. I've recently stopped breastfeeding, but obviously when I was breastfeeding, you couldn't really wear a dress if you're out and about because you can't really breastfeed in a dress unless it's designed properly. And obviously due to the pandemic, I'm not going to walk around the house in a dress. So, a dress. Nice. Oh, a Boden top. Fancy. Well, that's a nice t-shirt. That's definitely my kind of style. Well, I like that. She said rainbow. This is definitely not a rainbow colour, is it? I mean, I know it's got stripes of colour, but I wouldn't say that's a rainbow. But yeah, I like that. Oh, a nice jumper. A nice pink jumper there. Quite nice. I don't really know what to say at the minute. At the minute, I'm sort of just looking myself as opposed to describing it. But as you can see, it's a nice pink jumper. So far, so good. 2 more things. A big chunky, ooh, I like that. That is a big chunky cardigan. Oh, my arms are tired from holding everything up. Here we are, there we go. I'm a fan. And the last thing, which I think might be trousers from what she said in her little note, and I'm a bit concerned about trousers because I'm more of a jeans slash loungewear kind of gal, and these are definitely more not. Oh, we'll see. I'm just thinking about what I could wear these like. These are sort of trousers where you see people wearing them down the street and you're like, they look really cool, but then you try them on yourself and you're like, I look like a buffoon. So let's see if I look like a buffoon. They are trousers, but they're like quite wide legged and cropped. Oh, I'm not sure. They're the sort of trousers where, oh, I want to like them because I can see people looking really good in them, but for myself, I'm not sure if I'm cool enough. Well, on first glance, all 5 items, I do like them. The trousers are my one question, but I do like everything I've seen so far. Now it's the try on. Oh, it's the trousers. They make me a little bit anxious. You know, sort of think, oh, am I going to be able to wear these trousers without looking like an absolute idiot? You know, you try them on and you think, oh, I look really cool, and then you go outside in them and you think everyone's staring at you. Right, let's get trying on. Right, so I'll try the trousers on first because I want to get them out of the way because I'm just anxious about them. And what I will say, oh, got the tag. What I will say is they fit fine. They're on, okay, but I'm not so sure. I'm in two minds. Basically, I like them, but I feel a bit like a doofus at the same time. Right, so I've asked Sean to come up so he can help me to decide whether or not these trousers make me look like a buffoon, but he's busy at the minute, so I'm just going to quickly try on this cardigan for now. Here we go. Well, this is why it's good to try things on. I like it, but it's a bit itchy. It's making my arms itch a bit. And I think it also makes me look a bit frumpy. Do you not think? It just hasn't got much to it, and it's... I'm not sure. Also, I'm going to say, I love the trousers from sort of the knee up, but it's when it gets to the bottom bit where I feel like they just look a bit... Like I said, it's a bit itchy, and I don't know if it's really... I need it. I feel like I'd be wasting money if I bought it. I'm just buying it because I quite like the look of it, but I don't think it's anything special. That makes sense?
Nice! Just the colour. They look like office trousers. Do you know what I mean? Like, I get that they're cool, and with a pair of Sam Smith Adidas trainers and an overlarge coat, you could imagine people getting away with them with some brightly coloured socks. But they look like office trousers. They do look a bit silly. Or you've had a really big growth spurt.
They look really... Next. Oh, I don't know. Now I feel like everything's sort of... you know? Do I like this jumper? No. It looks a bit like a smock. Everything is ruined. I don't know. What is it about this jumper? Why does it look like that? Do you think... Is it me, or does that look a bit weird? Do you think it looks weird? Even if I was wearing jeans, I feel like this would look really... It looks really big. Like, you know? Like no shape to it at all. Ah, I had high hopes for this box. That's the problem with these things. You open the box and you're like, everything looks amazing. And you try them on and you're like, well, why does it look like that? Why does it look so... Tuck it in a bit, I guess. But even then, I'm like... I don't really want to be doing that. Like walk around with a tucked in jumper. Oh, this is so disappointing. I do like this. I've been looking online for some new t-shirts. My issue I'm having at the minute is I'm a size, well, I think I'm a size 8, or I was a size 8 before I had Ellis on my top half. I feel like a lot of my size 8s are just like rising up. So I don't know what's happening, but this is a size 8 and it's nice and long, so I like that. And I don't like spending money on t-shirts because I'm cheap, and I hate spending money on, well, t-shirts that are just going to ride up after 20 minutes, you know what I mean? So this is a good t-shirt. Let's see the price of it, because if it's expensive, it'll be a no. It's not a rainbow colour, so I don't know what happened there with her description, but I do quite like it. Can I see myself wearing it walking down the street? Yes. Dun, 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 dun. What do I think about this dress? Don't mind the socks. Do I like it? I feel a bit naked. Is it me or is it see-through? I feel like you can see every lump and bump. I think it's really nice, but I feel like you can see everything. Had a cesarean, you can see the scar. My memory card ran out of memory. If you have moved, it's because I had to move here to get a new memory card in there. So where were we? It's sort of one of those outfits where when you're not feeling 100% about yourself and then you put a tight item of clothing on and then you feel even worse about yourself before you put it on. So it's sort of where you're not 100% happy with your body and then you're like, thanks for highlighting the bits I wasn't too keen on. And that's what this dress definitely does, because my insecurities of my body are this sort of part of my body here, and it does a very good job of sticking those bits out, you see? So yeah, I don't think this is a dress for me. And then also it's the fact that I feel like you can see in the right light, I reckon you'd be able to see my bra, and you can also see my pants. So I don't know what I would wear underneath it, and it's the last thing I want to be worrying about when I've got a child to take places with me when the pandemic is over. And I don't want to be like, okay, I've got everything for my kids, now what on earth underwear do I need to wear this dress? So although I like the top bit, I like this sort of style bit, and I like the arms, I just think the fit of it is a bit too, see what I mean? Like, you can literally see my belly button. So here we are again, back where we started. So I'll just run through what the cost of everything is. Oh, my hair is now everywhere. I'm disappointed because it's the typical thing that always happens to me. I take the clothes out, I'm really excited by what they look like when I'm just holding them. Then I try them on and my body goes, nope, doesn't suit, doesn't suit, doesn't suit. Anyway, so the trousers are £39, which isn't too bad, really, for the trousers. I guess I was looking for a pair of like smart trousers, 40 quid. Isn't too shocking, but realistically, I can't see any situation where I would wear these. They're just not my type of thing. They're literally the sort of thing I'll see people wearing and think they look really cool, and then I try them on and I feel like an absolute buffoon. So I just can never see myself. They're the sort of thing that if I said yes to keeping them, I would keep them and they would sit in my cupboard forever and I'd never wear them again. So I feel like it would be a waste of money to buy them. Someone else would suit these, but they're just not my style. So they're a hard no. So the cardigan, this cardigan is £45. So this is the thing I'm questioning, because I do really like it. It was a little bit itchy, but that's something that maybe I feel like you just get over at some point, or after a few washes it might just sort itself out. I do like it. So I like it. When I hold it up, I like it. I like the style of it. But I felt like when I was wearing it, it looked a bit frumpy. Shall I try it on now? Let me try it on now. Hold on a second. Now I'm wearing jeans and not those silly trousers. It might look all right.
Boring.
That's why I literally just came to my mind thinking, this is what I used to wear when I worked in an office.
Yeah, you had one that you left on the chair at the office so you didn't get cold. That's how much it meant to you.
Good point. So Sean has confirmed that one for me. Confirmed what I was thinking, that I felt like that cardigan was too... I guess the reason I want these boxes is to change my fashion. I feel like that is just like going back into what I don't want my fashion to be. So yeah, for £45. Nora 3/4 boat neck jumper, light pink. This jumper made me sad. I thought this had great potential, but it looks like I'm wearing an apron. That's £28. It looks okay, but when you put it on, it just has zero shape to it. Why is it that wide? I don't think that's a yes either. The dress is a no. I can't keep the dress. It's £54 as well, which is quite a lot of money for a dress that I'm not 100% about. It's really soft. I will say that. It is really soft. It's from the brand Modstrom. And yeah, it's really soft. It's really like weighty as well, so it's definitely a good quality dress. Well, it just clings to everything about my body that I'm not the biggest fan of. It doesn't highlight anything, makes my bum look funny because you can see my underwear, so that's a no. And finally, the t-shirt. Do I want a t-shirt for £28? That is the question. I was going to buy a bundle of someone else's clothes on eBay yesterday for £26, and that was going to be like a bundle of 15 items of clothing, but I didn't, because I didn't really know what the items were, and I wasn't 100% about it. And do I now want to buy a t-shirt for £28? I'm just not sure. This is the hard one. I do really like it, but do I want to spend £28 on a t-shirt? So I'm not sure. That's my question. Right, do I buy that t-shirt or not? Anyway, total of everything, the cost of everything together, if I was to buy all 5 items, it would be £194. But if you buy everything, like I said before, you get a 20% discount, which is £39. So the total of everything with a discount would be £155. But we've clearly established I won't be buying everything. And then you also get to subtract the £10 it costs for the box in itself. So you pay £10 to have one of these boxes delivered to you, but if you buy anything, take off that £10 delivery cost. The total of everything obviously will be £145.99. Had to do some maths there. So the only thing I'm questioning really is the t-shirt. Do I want to spend £28 but minus the £10, £18 on a t-shirt? I don't know. This is hard. This is hard. I spend £18 on one single t-shirt. I've never done that before. I'm a cheapskate, like I said. £18 for one t-shirt is a lot of money for me, but it's Boden. It's good quality. I don't know. It's too hard. Right, okay. I'm going to have to leave it there because I'm going to otherwise sit here for ages just figuring things out. What do you think? Should I keep the t-shirt or not? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments below. Help. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Sorry it's been so indecisive. It's probably one of the hardest stitch fixes I've ever had to do in my entire life. So let's tell me what you think. Do you think I should actually keep any of the items, or should I not going to keep? What do you think? What do you think of those trousers? Would you wear those trousers? Help me. Right, okay. I'm going to stop now. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've made it this far and haven't died of stress like I feel like I'm about to, well done. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram if you fancy. Hit that subscribe button if you like this sort of chaotic video. And I will see you next time. Bye!